Following the current flood situation affecting the country, Prime Minister Datuk Seri Anwar Ibrahim has ordered a freeze on all cabinet ministers' leave. He added that all ministers and deputy ministers have been instructed to go to the flood hit areas to provide the necessary assistance.
Semua menteri minta teruskan tugas sekarang. Turun
padang.
Akan beku ke Datuk Seri? Akan beku.
The flood situation has worsened in several states on Friday, causing the number of flood victims in several states to increase sharply, with Kelantan recording the highest number. Other states also affected by the floods are Kedah, Perlis, Perak, Negeri Sembilan and Selangor.